Is this the rarest base in the game? That's right, guys. We got ourselves the new Tralaleo base. And correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I think Sammy only gave this base to 1,000 people, this admin abuse. So it's quite rare. And I think you can get it with a DLC code. I'm not sure though. But let's take a quick look at the base. It looks very, very cool.